Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to see how to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. Now in this part 9 of this training series, we are going to see how to build the email automation messages using AWeber. Now, if you really want to grasp the entire content of this training series, then I would request you to watch every training series as a whole so that you can build your online email marketing business. With that being said, if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. So let's get straight into our AWeber account. So if you recall in the last part 8 of this training series, we saw how to create an email list in our AWeber account. So we have created the test email list in our previous training series. So whatever it is shown here in this current dashboard, it's all related to the email list which we have created as test. So whatever the automation subscribers, the messages which you're going to see is all going to be related to the test email list. So if you really haven't got your AWeber Pro account, then I would request you to check the link in the description box below where you can get the AWeber Plus account in order to start your campaign going. That is my affiliate link, and if you purchase through this link, there is no extra cost that you're going to bear, and it just incentivizes me to put out more training videos like this. Basically, there are two types of email messages. One is the email automation and another one is the email broadcast. So we are going to create an email automation now. So go and click on the automation button and click on campaigns. Go and click on the create campaign and click on the blank campaign. So this is the UI where you are going to build the email sequences. We are going to send the email automation sequence to this test list. So how is this going to work? Now, when you click on subscribe button, so the email will be sent to the subscribers when they subscribe to your squeeze page, which we have built through lead pages. So once they opt in through your squeeze page on subscription, their email addresses and first name will be added to the AWeber list, which is the test list. They will be sent these messages. After clicking on the subscribe button, then you have to go here and double click the send message button. So once double clicked, go here to the right and click on create a message and drag and drop email builder. Now this takes to the page where you have previously seen how to build an email messages. Now just click on the insert your subject line and just enter the subject line hello. I'm just entering it as hello as a subject line. Now you can personalize the subject line by clicking on the drop down here and click on the subscribers info, and you can use the first name, last name, email address, and subscribers location, and also your snippets, anything that you have captured as an information. And you can also insert an emoji if you want from this list. So I'm just going to enter as hello. Now after the hello, now come to this body of this email message. So after you come here, just click on this, and to the right you just see this and delete everything over here. Now just click on this, click on the delete button, again click on this, click on the delete button, and again click on this and click on the delete button. Now go here and click on the double click button, and here you can type in your messages, hi, and you can insert a personalization over here by just going to these three dots over here and then clicking on this drop down personalize, and from the personalize you can add the first name. So the first name of the subscriber is captured over here, and you can use them as a personalization. I'm just going to enter it as this is a test message, and you can always enter your signature. I'm just going to enter it as talk soon, something like that. Now after entering this, you can also insert the link by just double click on this line, and then you can just go and click on the link over here and add the affiliate link over this place. And once it turns to a green button, which means when it turns to a green tick, it is ensure that the link is correct, and then you can click on the save button. So that's how you can create the email messages. After that, you can go and click on save and exit. Create the next sequence. So this is the first email message that is going to be triggered to the new subscriber on subscription. Once they subscribe, immediately this email message will be sent to the subscriber. Then you can double click on the wait button, so you can change the time interval between the first message and the next message. So you can go and you can change it to days. Maybe you can have 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 5 days, anything, or you can have even in hours, minutes, even months. So it all depends upon your requirement. So I'm just going to enter it as 1 day, and then again click on the send message. So double click on it, so you can enter the next message that will be sent after this message for exactly 1 day interval. Now we are going to add the second email over here. Just click on the create a message, drag and drop email builder. Now you can enter your second email. Just type in the subject line. I'm just going to enter it as hi. And if you want to personalize it, just click on subscribers info and then first name. So hi Mano, something like that. So click on done. Now in the similar way, just delete everything over here, double click on it. Now just type in your message, hey, and a bit of personalization, and then enter it as this is the second message, and get here your promised bonus, something like that. So you can enter your affiliate link over here. For the namesake, I'm just going to click on this, double click on this, and you can see this add link button, and you can enter the link. For the testing purpose, I'm just going to add google.com. So you can see it turns to green tick. So once it turns to green tick, it means that the link is valid. So click on save and then enter the salutation here, just like talk soon. The most important thing is that always try to maintain a font size of 18. So I'm just going to change it as in all your email messages, whether it's going to be email automation or email broadcast. Just change it to 18 and have it as Arial as your font. Now, in order to get your email idea or email swipes, what kind of email swipes or what kind of generic email swipes that I'm going to use, then please follow my training along with me, and I will show you where to get these email swipes and how to make them generic in the upcoming training series. So once this is done, now you can always go and click on save and exit. So this is going to be our second message. So click on save and exit. So this message gets saved. Now, similarly, you can add the third message by just trying to put in the wait time or from this, and then again adding this send message here, so on, to build the email automation sequence of 30 days or 45 days or even 90 days. So after doing all those, just click on save and exit. Now the status is in draft. So our email automation campaign is in draft status. Now just go and click here the activate. So click on the activate campaign. So the campaign is active. So once a subscriber subscribes into your opt-in page, and once the email address is added to your test email list, automatically this campaign is going to trigger the first email message and the second email message. So if you want to pause it, just click the three dots and then click on pause. And again, to reactivate it, just click on reactivate. So that's all. So now you have really seen how to build an email automation sequence through our AWeber. Now you might think which one is more important in order to get a sales, whether it is email broadcast or the email automation. Automation is only for your exposure of your email address and the name, sender's name, but it's not going to get you the sales. The one which is going to get you sales is the email broadcast. But how? In email broadcast, you can literally split test the subject line, the body content, and also the sending time. So if you check that the subject lines get you the open rates, the body content get you the click-through rates, and the email sending time is also very important, because you can split test between different email times to subscribers and check which one gets more open rates, and it really matters in email broadcast. So in the next part of this training series, we are going to see how to build an email broadcast campaign and how to do split testing based on the subject line or the body content. So if you're interested and really serious about building an online business, then I would request you to check the link in my top recommended mentorship program below in order to build a serious online marketing business. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of the training series. Until then, bye.